few months ago, John and Carol Beebe came to us and suggested this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is, we'd like to get everybody to do this. It had a kind of a lukewarm reception at first. In the background, you would hear, well, what's that have to do with me? Turning wrenches,
Found out we were going to read an old book. That was my initial reaction. I think the general thought for most people is where they were going to fit it into their life, which was really cool that they offered the CD. I picked the CD and used it on my commute. It was really, really simple.
We met once a week in the lunchroom and just incorporated lunch with the meeting and let everybody follow the questions that were recommended.
Anybody have anything that really stuck out that they'd like to say?
On how to deal with, criticizing an employee without giving resentment back,
Absolutely.
It seemed like a good way to hey, you're doing a really great job. Everything's great, but you left the drain plug loose. So don't say but. Yeah, exactly. Don't say but. So it's like learning how to say things like but. However.
I like the part about where you just kind of try to hint at somebody's mistake and hopefully they'll figure it out on their own.
Yeah.
Without actually pointing it out.
Yeah, that was a good one.
People started to talk about everything, even outside of their book club, partway through the day, and something's tumbling around in your head, and somebody would be talking to you about it. And the kind of tools that are supplied in this book help everybody deal with situations that can arise in a better manner and just keep stress levels low and keep the positivity up.
I see it with the service writers, their interaction with customers, whether they're consciously using the skills that we learned or subconsciously doing it, you can see it, and every now and then you go, okay, I remember that section in the book.
I've actually thought about bringing the book home with me and doing it with my family. There's just so many key communication things that you can do to handle things differently or better.
There's good communication, everything flows very well, and there's a good team spirit. It does make a difference, and it has made a difference.